it's day 9 technically, because for day 8 I requested you all on my community to repeat the Tabata workout, because we want to increase the intensity and the complexity. You can do it only once you are good with the basic exercises. So I thought that why to repeat the videos, like why to shoot the videos that are already there. So I requested you to follow that Tabata exercise. If you haven't done that, please first do the Tabata for day 8. Now for day 9 we are having a dance workout. That is a fun and a very effective way of burning calories. It's so much fun, I cannot tell you. I didn't want it to stop, but yeah, you have to. And it was amazing. I'm burning like hell. So yes, I will be showing you this 10 minutes 9 to 8 minutes clip that you have to repeat for next like 5 times. So it would be like 50 minutes workout for you, and that would
Move 1. Repeat for 16 times.
They usually say, do this, do that, grow up, be nice and behave. But I've never wanted to be like them.
Change to move 2. Repeat for 16 times.
We've got a life to live, so please don't waste my time. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Forget your trouble.
Change to move 3. Repeat for 16 times.
Started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe and sound. There's time for that, but not now.
Change to move 4. Repeat for 16 times.
Just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time.
Change to move 5. Repeat for 16 times.
That we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time.
Change to move 6. Repeat for 32 times.
Don't know a thing about what this is like. I don't want to think about what's ahead. I'm here now. 'Cause I've always wanted to feel alive. Live in the moment, let the future arrive. I'm gonna tell the world the way it's going down. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Won't let them bother me, I'm not gonna waste my time. Come and join it, get it started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe and sound. There's time for that, but not now. And while we are young, let's be stupid.
Change to move 7. Repeat for 48 times.
That we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. We are young and we got plenty of time. And I've got nothing else but you on my mind.
Change to move 8. Repeat for 32 times.
Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time.
Change to move 9. Repeat for 8 times. move 10. Repeat for 16 times,
There's time for that.
both clockwise and anti-clockwise.
We are young, let's be stupid. Just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Don't know a thing about what this is like. I don't want to think about what's ahead. I'm here now. 'Cause I've always wanted to feel alive. Live in the moment, let the future arrive. I'm gonna tell the world the way it's going down. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Won't let them
Change to move 11. Repeat for 32 times.
started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe and sound. There's time for that, but not now. And while we are young, let's be stupid. Just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. We are young and we got plenty of time. And I've got nothing else but you on my mind. We got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time.
Change to move 12. Repeat for 8 times.
Plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. Sit down, be quiet. They usually say, do this, do that, grow up, be nice and behave. But I've never wanted to be like them.
Change to move 3. Repeat for 16 times.
We've got a life to live, so please don't waste my time. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Forget your trouble and let's celebrate tonight. Come and join in, get it started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe and sound. There's time for that, but not now. And while we are young, let's be stupid. Just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Don't know a thing about what this is like. I don't.
Also, Diwali is coming up, and we can see that all Diwali vibe here. So you can follow me on Instagram to see how I celebrate my Diwali, and I also want to know how you have celebrated your festival. Do let me know in the comments and share your stories with me. Do tag me in the story so that I can like repost it and get to know you more closely. Yes, and if you want, I can share a Diwali detox so that you can do it before Diwali, so that you don't gain weight, even if you have your cheap meals at this time, because I know I'm also going to have it. Have a safe, happy fit Diwali. Have a lot and lot of celebration with your friends, family, and be happy, be safe, and yeah, happy Diwali, GGT. I love you all, and you form a very integral part of my life. So yes, I'll see you now on Tuesday with a new video. Till then, we have a break for 3 days. So enjoy your festival, have cheat meals, but make sure that you have the detox as well, and enjoy your festival to the fullest. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will be up with a new video very soon. But don't forget to hit the notification bell, because otherwise you will not be able to get notified about my videos. So do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because only then you will get notified about all my videos. So bye bye, stay fit, stay happy. I love you all. Bye.